Well, I wanted to share a very serious story about an Uber driver who just had a near-death experience, and he just shared this in our Facebook group. I'm going to private his name for the sake of this video, but I just read it and I got literal goosebumps reading it. So if you're driving for Uber, just be aware about how dangerous of a job this is. Because you will not believe what happened to this Uber driver. Before I do, if you are a gig worker looking to make extra money, I wanted to tell you all about a brand new way to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing for 5 years now. What I mean brand new, I mean I just created this link below for all of you guys to join, and you can sign up right now. And once you sign up, click login and go to the My Programs. And I just uploaded a 54-minute video on how to set up your own faceless YouTube channel, because this is something, my friends, that I've been doing and I've been making consistently over $10,000 per month. This is just this year so far on one of my pages. You can see over 57K. And then last year I brought in over 120K. So if you're on the fence about driving Uber and maybe you want something new, check out the link below and I will help guide you through it. You don't need to show your face, you do not need experience, and you do not need a following. And right now there's a 30-day free trial for the first 100 people who do sign up. We're slowly but surely approaching that number of 100, so that will be closing very soon. And yeah, you can try it out if you'd like. Listen to this guy. He just posted this. He said, "Good evening, Uber drivers. I had a bad experience Tuesday evening at 4:47 p.m. I picked up this passenger from the Capitol Heights area. He was polite, no problem, until we got 4 blocks downtown. Marlboro Pike. I was met with 4 District Height police cars. They got on the speaker, told me to shut off the engine. I put my hand on the dashboard. They said, 'Driver, get out of the vehicle.' I did. The passenger didn't say nothing. I asked what was going on. They told me to walk backwards, that I did. One of the police officer met me before I got halfway to the car in the back. He asked me, 'And Mama Uber driver?' And I said yes. I showed them on my phone that I was. He said the passenger that was in my vehicle, they've been looking for him. He had a warrant for his arrest for attempted murder. I did not ask anything else. I was like, please get him out of my car. They went to the car, got them all arrested, put them in the patrol car. Officer came back and said that he tried to kill his girlfriend and they was waiting for him and they got it. I don't know what else to do. That put fear in my heart to know that I had a person that was in my car that tried to commit murder, and then find out in the back that he had a gun. He could have shot me and took the car. I reported it to Uber support, told them what happened. The officer got on there and told them what had happened, and Uber support apologized for the situation. I still got the full pay of $14, but it is scary. You don't know who you are picking up right now. I'm just scared to go back out there." Wow. I literally, my heart sank when I read that, because this driver, he seems like such a nice guy. You know, he's right though. You do not know who you are picking up. You are picking up strangers. And you as a driver, you have to do a background check, upload your ID. What do the passengers have to do? Literally nothing. They create an account. I have a friend, she created a Uber account. She named her account Kanye. That was the name. No profile picture, nothing. Kanye. You go up and you pick up Kanye, and it's this girl who comes in. You don't know who she is. You don't know whether she's a criminal or not. They let anybody on the apps. So you as a driver, you know, you have to do all this background check. You're the one who can get deactivated anytime, but you're picking up passengers from God knows what background. So it is a dangerous thing. And this is the thing that he said, it happened at 4 p.m., middle of the day. You know, even if you drive during the day, it's still dangerous. You know, it's not just nighttime rides that are bad. So maybe think twice about becoming an Uber driver, because you will run into bad situations the more you drive. You know, I've picked up people in my cars that they've made me scared, you know, and you're in a close situation with them going 70, 80 miles on the freeway, miles per hour on the freeway, and it's like anything can happen. You really never know. You can never be too safe. So really crazy story there. I'm glad he was safe. I'm glad everything turned out okay, but I wouldn't blame him if he didn't want to drive for Uber anymore. I wouldn't blame any of you guys if you don't want to drive for Uber after that. Let me know if you've had any crazy similar experiences down below in the comment section. And again, if you are looking for a new way to make money, check out the link below for the Faceless YouTube channel program. It could change your life just as it has mine. It allowed me to stop driving Uber because, quite frankly, I was like this guy. It made me scared to go out there, and you just really don't make that much money in exchange for all the money you're putting on your car and all the time you're out there. So again, this is just one of my YouTube channels so far this year. It's only May, and I've brought in already over 50 grand. So that's over $10,000 a month average. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus for you guys so you guys can see. It's nighttime here, so I don't have the best lighting, but there we go. Okay, finally. And then last year, over 120,000 bucks. And you can see on some days bringing in more than $1,000 on a single day. And then if you just go back here, this is what I've made in the past 365 days, 130 grand. You don't need a following to do this. You do not need experience. And I know a lot of you guys are hard workers out there. You can put in the time. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Faceless YouTube channel, it's not get rich overnight. You probably won't make money in the first day, week, or month. But if you put in hard work at the beginning, you could generate passive income for years to come. And this is exactly what allowed me to pay off my credit card debt, quit all these jobs I was working, quit all these Uber apps, gig apps, and just focus on making money on social media. Because everyone's on their phones. Why not make money from people who are addicted to their phones, right? And it's what allowed me to buy this house here in SoCal. And just, I don't know. It's just, I really want to help some of you guys out. So check the link below. Again, you can take advantage of that 30-day free trial, and that will be closing very soon. You can try it out, cancel anytime, but I hope you stay because I think you're gonna like it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.